Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to ELC Cidel. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mika Andika. You can call me Ms. Mika. Today we are going to talk about self-introductions or tell me about yourself. As we know that introduction is very important for us. Introduction is a basic topic when you talk about yourself and if you introduce your friend. You may need to introduce yourself in your English class, at a job interview, at a new job, and a big event or convention in front of thousands of people. Actually that I feel very nervous when I have to introduce myself to the large group of people. Yes, that's right. Introduction itu adalah basic topik dasar ketika kita ingin memperkenalkan diri kita ataupun orang lain. Nah, kita menggunakan introduction ini ketika kita berada di kelas bahasa Inggris. Misalnya kalian sebagai new students at this class. Misalkan kalian sebagai murid baru di kelas tersebut. So, you must to introduce yourself. Kamu wajib untuk memperkenalkan diri kamu sendiri. Kemudian, at a job interview. Nah, di interview pekerjaan, maka ini sangat penting memperkenalkan diri. Dan kemudian, at a new job. Dan ketika kalian sudah masuk dalam sebuah perusahaan, maka kalian akan memperkenalkan diri kalian dengan rekan-rekan kerja kalian untuk establishing relationships. Okay, next, let's get started now. Open the next slide. Now, introducing yourself, greeting is important before started conversations. Yes, greeting sangat penting sebelum kita memulai percakapan dengan orang lain. Nah, di sini ada contoh greeting, the kind of greeting. Kemudian ada responsnya, jawabannya. Okay, the first one is hello. You can answer hello. And then hi, you can answer hi. How do you do? You respond, how do you do? How are you? I'm fine, thanks. Not too bad, or I'm very well. Next, good morning. So you can answer good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, next, good day. Your response is good day. And others, dan lain sebagainya. And di sini ada sebuah pertanyaan ketika kalian ingin bertanya tentang nama seseorang, tentang asalnya dari mana, tinggalnya dari mana. Okay, the first one is what is your name? And then you can answer my name is Nabila. Misalkan namanya Nabila. Kemudian where are you from? You can answer I come from Bangka Belitung. Kemudian where do you live? Di mana kamu tinggal? I live in Pangkal Pinang. Pangkal Pinang ini secara general ya, secara general dan jika kita ingin menunjukkan specific locations, contohnya lokasi yang lengkap, alamatnya lengkap, maka gunakan at di sini. Maka gunakan at. I live at Jalan Gandaria 1, Gang Haji Umar, RT 7, RW 3, Gerunggang, Pangkal Pinang. Nah, itu alamat lengkap. Kalau penggunaan ini secara umum, I live in Pangkal Pinang. Nah, itu penggunaan in. Perbedaan in sama at. Kemudian, which semester are you? I am semester 4 atau I am 4 semester. Next, what is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English language. Okay, move on to the next slide. Nah, di sini how to introduce myself. Nah, setelah kata greeting, maka bisa kalian kata-kata pembuka lainnya seperti first of all, I would like to introduce myself. Pertama-tama, perkenalkanlah, saya memperkenalkan diri saya. Lanjut setelah itu, my name is Nabila. My full name Nabila Kintani, my next name Nabila. Nah, seperti itu. Atau juga kalian bisa menggunakan I want introduce myself atau allow me to introduce myself. Nah, perbedaan antara first of all, poin pertama dengan poin kedua. Poin pertama, penggunaan would itu lebih sopan daripada penggunaan won't. Jadi kalau secara sopannya menggunakan would. Oke. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nabila. My full name is Nabila Kintani. My nickname is Nabila. Like this ya. Oke, next. Nah, ini ada an example about self introductions. Good morning. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Zakira Alfatunisa. You can call me Ija. I was born in Jakarta, 17 May 1995. I live in Jakarta. Right now, I stay at my own house. Now, I studied at Nurse Academy. I will study for 4 years at Stikas Citra Delimau, Bangka Belitung. Well, that's all my introductions. Nice to meet you, and you can answer nice to meet you too. Next, we will move on to the last topic, especially introducing other. Introducing others or introducing your friend, memperkenalkan teman kamu. Gimana cara memperkenalkan teman kamu? Oke, next slide. So you know, in daily activities, introduce has been habitually actions. It is often used when bringing people together for the first time, as when you introduce a new friend to your parent and others. This is name of your friend. Setelah itu jelaskan informasi mengenai orang tersebut, misalkan umurnya, tempat tinggalnya di mana, tanggal lahirnya berapa, hobinya apa, pekerjaan apa, dan lain sebagainya. Jadi kalau kita ingin memperkenalkan teman kita kepada orang lain, with others, maka kita bisa gunakan this is my friend, this is Anita, misalkan name of your friend, ini adalah Anita. She is my friend, dia adalah temanku. Tinggal ditambah-tambah lagi hobinya apa. Nah, untuk perkenalan contoh-contoh selanjutnya ada di slide berikutnya. Oke, move on to the next slide. Nah, di sini ada contoh ya. Let me introduce my friend to you. Her name is Nabila. Her hobby is cooking. She is from Bangka Belitung. She lives at Jalan Gandaria 1, Gang Haji Umar, RT 7, RW 3, Gerunggang. She studied at Nurse Academy for 4 years. She has studied here. For tanggal berapa dia mulai belajar? She has married and now she work in bla 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 bla. Nah, itu tinggal kalian isi based on your condition, sesuaikan dengan your personality, misalnya sesuaikan dengan personal teman kalian. Kemudian, when you will done, you must saying. Setelah itu, jika sudah memperkenalkan diri, maka kamu bisa express nice to meet you atau nice to talking with you, atau jika kalian lagi sibuk ada pekerjaan lain, you can say sorry I have to go now, saya harus pergi sekarang. Nah, di bawahnya ini ada furthermore, when you work in the hospital you should introduce yourself to patients. Yes, that's right, it's very important. Jadi ketika kamu sudah bekerja di rumah sakit, kamu harus memperkenalkan diri kamu kepada pasien. Jadi pasiennya tahu, oh nama perawatnya siapa. Oke, di sini contohnya I'm Nurse Ica, misalkan Ica ya. I'm Nurse Ica. I will take care of you today. If you need anything, please just give me a call. Anita, Nurse Anita will help you. Like this ya, contohnya. Okay? Now, let's practice now. Ini ada conversation about between nurse and Mrs. Rani as a patient. Good morning, Mrs. Rani. Good morning, nurse. How are you this morning? It could be better. What's your name? I'm Nurse Yuni. I will take care of you today, Mrs. Rani. If you need help, please just call me. I will help you. Terus Mrs. Rani answered, Thank you so much, nurse. Where do you live, nurse? I live at Haji Umar Street, RT or RW 007 or 003, number 19 Pangkal Pinang. Now, it's time for me to visit other patients. See you later, Mrs. Serena and Mrs. Rani can answer. See you later. Like this. Itu sebagai contohnya. And then I have two job for you. Saya punya PR buat kalian. Lesson with a smartphone. Make a conversation about introducing yourself and your friend. This lesson must collect by using video in your Android. Jadi contoh conversationnya seperti Mrs. Rina dan nurse tadi ya. Mrs. Rina dan nurse buat conversation seperti itu, percakapan seperti itu. Di sini tugas kalian ada dua, memperkenalkan diri kamu sendiri dan memperkenalkan orang lain. Oke. I think that's all for our material today about self-introduction and others. Thank you for your attention. And if you have any questions, you can write your questions in my email mikaandika710@gmail.com. See you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.